Here we have a 1963 Cadillac four-door hardtop, Series 62 model, also known as a four-window sedan. This particular car, powered by a 390 V8 underneath the hood, is a runner and driver. Hydromatic transmission is paired up with that 390. This particular car was actually brought to us by a gentleman that inherited it from a family member that passed away, and unfortunately just doesn't have room for it or really any use for it, so he thought he'd pass it along to somebody like I would consider it kind of a running driving project, or if you got a nice one that you're looking for, you know, parts or things off of. Here you go. 63 Series 62 four-door hardtop. This hood, as you can see, is discolored some. It appears that somebody put possibly a rug on here to protect the hood. Maybe it was in a shed or what have you to cover it up, and it kind of transferred, and so obviously some paint issues on the hood. Again, car does run and drive. We'll start it up and I'll show you underneath the hood. Down below, they did do a little customization with, I'm guessing, you know, covering up some rust type issues with the panels that are screwed on below there. Did that on both sides, and you can check out the underside pictures, see the condition, what it's like underside, interior, hood. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link. You can click on that. That's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. We've sold these project type vehicles in the past. Be happy to kind of give you our opinion, or if you want to know more about it, feel free to call. Of course, the 63s, they shaved down that rear fin and took away all the sculpturing from the sides. Little trivia, in 63, if you went in to order a Cadillac like this, you literally had 143 different options you could pick from colors to equipment and everything. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. Definitely help you out with the transportation and arranging that. As you can see, some little dings, rear bumper and what have you. It is older paint, does show its age. Kind of show you up and down this side too. You can see where they kind of put the say aluminum kind of plating and screwed to it. Again, guessing you can kind of cover up or take care of some of the rust. All right, let's start this thing up. Let you check out the interior. It looks like it may be original interior. Now, the one thing I did notice, played around a little bit, the blower fan for the heat and AC does blow fine. The wipers do work. Radio works. Gauges appear to work. Obviously, the windows go down. So let's go ahead and I'll start this up a second. See how easily it starts. Here, there's a little exhaust leak there. Exhaust system may need a little TLC. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second and pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay on it too. Alright, got the hood popped here. Got 390, and again paired to the hydromatic. Power steering, power brakes. Brakes is going good. Got the cylinder. Distributor. The AC compressor still hooked up. Looks like most of the components were there for that. There you go. See how it runs. 1963 Cadillac Series 62 four-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Still pictures, check out the underside, trunk, engine bay, interior. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. It's a runner and driver. That's how we're representing it. We'll need some TLC. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. Give us a call.